So basically what I want to test is we put tape on the back of the PCB, if that would ruin the RGBness or whatever, the board, since it is an acrylic. We're about to find out right now to see if it really did anything different to it. Yeah, personally I think that's fine, right? Because we didn't block the outside parts of the LEDs. This works. There's a little bit of wiggle in there. Trying to hold it as it's over here. All right, here we go. Moment of truth. I'm so done, bro. I can't believe that's all I had to do. Oh my god.